sad birds still fly. This is kind of a fun quote because it really helps make light of the reality that is set before us when we are moving through the low seasons, right? I hate using the word depression because it's so misconstrued in today's society that it's something outside of yourself and impossible to overcome from within. But really, it's your call for a deep rest. And the only person that is going to be able to decide that the rest has come to an end, that you've had enough of a rest, is you. It comes from within. And I love this because it really puts it into a little bit different perspective, that even if that bird is sad and depressed for the day, like, its only option is to continue to fly. And life is about motion. The gift of this life is about that continued motion and that energy that can only come from within. And I think that's when a lot of people get tripped up.